Namaste to all. Welcome all on Abhyuday online classes. Today I am going to explain you chapter 1st of class 8 science. Chapter 1 is crop production and management. Chapter 1st of class 8 science is crop production and management. So, what do you mean by the crop production and management? That means crop production, that is what are the different ways we are using for crop production, and after that management of the crop. So, in this chapter, first I'm going to explain you some topics which are we going to discuss in this chapter. So, first one is horticulture. So what is horticulture? See, when we grow crop on a large scale, like fruit, vegetable which is grown on a large scale, that is what we call as horticulture. Okay, vegetable and fruits. Yes, that is horticulture. That means growing of fruit and vegetables on a large scale. Then second topic is manuring. See, what is manure? The things manure is made from natural. Now, manuring. What is manure? Manure is which is made from natural things. And whenever we are going to mix it with soil, that is we call as manuring. Manure is the thing which is made from natural thing. Okay. So, whatever the waste is from farms and all is manure, and mixing it with soil is known as manuring. Then third is transplantation. Transplantation. What is transplantation? Transplantation is transferring of small sapling from flower bed to main field. Okay, so that is transplantation. Transformation of saplings from nursery to main field. That is what we call as transplantation. After that, next is irrigation. What is irrigation? Irrigation is watering of plant according to their needs. According to their needs, that means some plants they need more water and some they need less water. So that's why we are saying according to their need. Then is fertilizer. Then what is fertilizer? Fertilizer is a man-made compound which provide a particular nutrient. Then weedicides. What is weedicides? Weedicides is a chemical which used to kill weeds. Here, what is weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants. And the chemical which used to kill unwanted plants is weedicides. After that, buffer stock. What is buffer stock? See, if we got anything in a huge quantity. For example, if we are having a huge growth of wheat this time. So what we will do? We store it in a cold storage for further use. That is what we call as buffer stock. After buffer stock, we are having apiculture. What is apiculture? Apiculture means to rear honeybees on a large scale or for commercial purpose. Okay, so again I am going to just take a review of all this thing. Horticulture, large scale cultivation of fruit and vegetables. Manuring, mixing of manure with soil. Transplantation, that is transfer of saplings from seed bed to main field. Irrigation, watering of plant according to their needs. Fertilizer, that is man-made compound, okay, which provide a particular nutrient. Weedicides, what is weedicide? Weedicide is a chemical which used to kill weeds. And buffer stock, when we are having a huge stock of anything and we store it for further use. And apiculture, rearing of honeybees for commercial purpose. Okay, so these are the terms which we are going to use in this chapter. Now we will start with the chapter. In the chapter, first is agriculture. So, what is agriculture? Agriculture is rearing of crops and growing of crop and rearing of animals. Now, our next topic is agriculture. What is agriculture? That is cultivation of crop and rearing of animals. Both the things are there in the agriculture. Both the things include agriculture. Okay, after that we are having crops. What is crop? When we grow a crop on a large scale, like wheat, if I am giving you the example, है ना, जैसे हम गेहूँ बहुत पूरी फील्ड में गेहूँ ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Crop. That means we have grown the crop of wheat. Okay. After that is crop, then crop season. Crop season. See, we are having two crop seasons. One is Rabi and second one is Kharif. In India, we are having two crop seasons. We used to sow crops in twice a year. हम crop जो है वो 2 बार sow करते हैं, ठीक है? एक होती है रबी और एक खारिफ. 2 crop seasons होती हैं. रबी crop जो रहती है उन्हें रबी और winter बोला जाता है, और खारिफ और rainy. ठीक है? क्रॉप सीजन 2 होते हैं, एक होता है रबी, एक होता है खारिफ. रबी क्रॉप और विंटर क्रॉप. रबी क्रॉप्स वो होती हैं जो ठंड के दिनों में लगाई जाती हैं, और खारिफ क्रॉप्स वो होती हैं जो बारिश के मौसम में लगाई जाती है, विच वी यूज टू सो इन अ रेनी सीजन. सी एग्जाम्पल, वी यूज टू ग्रो wheat. Example, wheat. Here in rainy season we used to see paddy. Why we used to sow this crops in rainy season? Because they need more water, है ना, and less temperature. So same for the winter crops, because they need very less temperature. They didn't require this much water and sunlight. That's why we used to sow this crop in a winter. And kharif crops, they need more water. That's why we used to sow this crops in a rainy season. Okay, after that, now we will discuss about agriculture implements. See, what are agriculture implements? The instruments which we used to use in farming. See, plow, है ना, जिसे हल बोलते हैं, सीड ड्रिल हो गया, खुरपा हो गया, ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं वो एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्लीमेंट्स कहलाती हैं. वो होते हैं एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्लीमेंट्स जो कि हमें फार्मिंग में हेल्प करते हैं. तो दैट आर एग्रीकल्चर इम्प्लीमेंट्स. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दैट बेसिक प्रैक्टिस. व्हाट इज बेसिक प्रैक्टिस? बेसिक प्रैक्टिस, सी आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल. मैंने क्या किया, आपको कुछ एक खेत के सामने आपको खड़ा कर दिया. अब आप क्या करेंगे? डायरेक्टली जाके सीड सो कर देंगे क्या? नहीं. व्हाट यू विल डू? फर्स्ट, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सिलेक्शन. वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट सॉइल. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज सिलेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल. मतलब हमें देखना पड़ेगा ना कि सॉइल कैसी है. ब्लैक सॉइल है, हम इसमें क्या सीड सो कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद ही तो हम डिसाइड करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट इट इज? सिलेक्शन ऑफ सॉइल. देन व्हाट वी विल डू आफ्टर सिलेक्टिंग द सॉइल? वी हैव सिलेक्टेड द सॉइल. नाउ वी विल प्रिपेयर. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. नाउ वी विल प्रिपेयर, है ना. हमारी जो खेत की मिट्टी वो तो अभी बिल्कुल रॉ है, मट्टी के से बड़े बड़े ढेले हैं, हमें उसको प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. हाउ वी विल प्रिपेयर इट? विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लो. हल चलाएंगे, उसको लेवलिंग करेंगे, तो उससे क्या होगा? प्रिपरेशन होगी सॉइल की. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? सिलेक्शन ऑफ सीड. What is the meaning of selection of seed? Selection of seed means अगर हमें अच्छी yield चाहिए तो we have to select best quality. अगर हमने अच्छी क्वालिटी का सीड सेलेक्ट किया तभी तो हमारी क्रॉप अच्छी होगी ना, है ना? कि हम खराब सीड सो करेंगे? नहीं, हम बेस्ट क्वालिटी सीड सेलेक्ट करेंगे so that we get a proper yield. Now, after selecting seed, what we will do? Irrigation. What is irrigation? Watering of the plants. Okay. After that, see what are the steps we have followed till that is selection of soil. Then we will prepare the soil. Then we will select the seed of best quality. Then we'll irrigate it. And after that we apply manure. है ना? हमें सॉइल की क्वालिटी को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए उसमें मैन्योर भी अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. मैन्योर अप्लाई करने के बाद अब जब हम इतना कर देंगे, हमने सीड भी सो कर दिया, उसको पानी भी दे दिया, उसको मैन्योर भी दे दिया, तो अब हमारी क्रॉप ग्रो करेगी. अब जब हमारी क्रॉप ग्रो करेगी तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम वीड्स. ठीक है. अब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वीड से प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. वीड क्या है? जो हमारी मेन क्रॉप हमने ग्रो की है उसके बीच में जो अनवांटेड प्लांट्स ग्रो हो गए, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? वीड्स. अब प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम वीड्स, हम वीड्स कैसे रिमूव करेंगे? बाय द यूज ऑफ वीडीसाइड्स, और वी कैन मैन्युअली रिमूव इट विद आवर हैंड्स, है ना? इट्स अप टू अस व्हाट वी वांट टू डू. दिस इज अवर 6th step. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी विल डू? प्रोटेक्शन वी हैव डन. नाउ crop protection. Crop protection, that means we have to protect our crop from birds, है ना? स्केयर क्रो लगाएंगे जिससे हमारी क्रॉप प्रोटेक्ट होगी. हम पेस्ट से बचाएंगे. पेस्ट क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं जो हमारी फसल को खा जाते हैं, अंदर से पूरा खाली कर देते हैं. तो वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर क्रॉप फ्रॉम देम. दैट इज पेस्टिसाइड, है ना? व्हाट आर पेस्टिसाइड्स? द केमिकल विच यूज टू किल पेस्ट. That is what we call as pesticide. After that, what we will do? We will harvest. है ना? अब हमारी क्रॉप को हमने जब पूरा प्रोटेक्ट कर लिया तो डेफिनेटली हमारी क्रॉप प्रॉपर ग्रो हो जाएगी. जब हमारी क्रॉप प्रॉपर मैच्योर हो गई, ग्रो हो गई, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हार्वेस्ट करेंगे, उसको थ्रेश करेंगे. ठीक है. और उसके बाद फाइनली व्हाट इज द स्टेप? दैट इज storage. Clear? Again I'll explain you. Listen to this. First we will select the soil. Our soil should be of very good quality for better growth. Then we will prepare the soil. How we will prepare the soil? By using plow, hoe. Yes, that means what plowing done? It just turn the soil up and down for better aeration. After that we select the seed. We should select the seed of very good quality. After that we will water it. We will give water according to its need. Then apply manure to provide nutrient. Then from protection from weeds. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants. To kill unwanted plants which is grown between our main crop, what we have to do? We have to apply weedicides. Then crop protection, that is to protect the crop from birds, from pests, and last is harvesting and threshing. And finally what we have to do? We have to store our crops. See, this is the basic practices which we have to follow while sowing any crop. Now we will just study all these points in detail. Okay, so this is the basic practices which we have done in our class. That means I have given you the main points of the first chapter. Here, if we are going to detailing this, then we are going to cover this whole chapter. Okay, so this is our whole chapter, the main points of the chapter. Okay, thank you for watching Abhyuday online classes. Thank you very much.